guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. You guys keep asking for these vlogs to come into Dollar Tree and show you all new products and how to use them. I've got 10 in store for you today. Let's walk around the store. Let me show you. In the organizing section, there is a brand new product that retails for $3.99 in other stores and is just $1 here. Pull out containers. These work incredibly well in upright freezers. I'm so glad they finally brought these back to store. I use these in every pantry project because they are awesome and actually airtight, and they now come in a bigger size. So when you see these at your store, if your cabinets are a mess, scoop these up. In the planner section, this is a brand new product. They have these dry erase planner boards. But what I really like in here are these giant to-do lists. If you're a really visual person, this is dry erase. I love this. In the teacher's corner, you will save a ton if you need to organize your drawers because these are $6 at Big Lots. That's the last place I saw them. And here they are $5 for $1. Same drawer organizers. Wow. All right. They had these in a blue too, but this store only has an orange and a red left. These giant buckets. Look how big this is. You could very easily spray paint these as well or use them for DIY decor. So right now, the Dollar Tree has the first wave of Christmas and holiday items out. And I think it's best to purchase flowers right now. The florals are incredible. They added some all new ones this year. Typically, they tend to be at the front of the store. And if you want them, you've got to scoop them up now. Last year, I made this gorgeous sparkly wreath. And this year, I'm gonna make a centerpiece using them. I can't wait. I'm going to grab some floral foam. We're gonna need these. I don't want you to miss this. These gorgeous chargers. This is perfect for the holiday. This is a brand new product. And what's more, they have these trays for only $1. My friends, if you need an easy centerpiece idea for $10, I've got you covered. Check this out. I was inspired on TikTok, I've been watching it so much recently, by a creator named Lexi DIY who used this floral foam underneath of chargers. But I wanted to make this a really transitional piece. Maybe if you have a wedding, you could use this for fall, you could use it for Christmas, or I even thought it would be perfect for a quinceañera. I love these beveled glasses with the gold base. Making 2 of these, I think, really hit the mark. I would love to see this out for a holiday display or a wedding. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan to give it a try. Pair it with these chargers. I think it's my favorite of the video. They keep adding to the wall decal section. I absolutely love all of these, but I think my favorite find is a rose one. Let me see if they still have it. They do. Come here. This is so elegant and looks really great on a wall in an office for $1. I feel like sometimes dollar store DIYs can feel really overwhelming. They don't have to be. When you come to the frame section, go to the top because this is typically where they keep all of the 8x10s. Don't buy 1, buy 5. My favorite right now is this rose gold frame. You can make a beautiful family display in just a couple of minutes. Check this out. I'm gonna take Dollar Tree's marble shelf liner and I cut it down to the size of the frame. You can buy shelf liner on Amazon, but it's more expensive and I only wanted to spend the $1. Once you've assembled this, lay your frames flat and connect them using duct tape. I didn't actually have any, so I'm using packing tape here. And then take some of Dollar Tree's foam core board and glue it to the back. I attached this to the wall using command hooks. The center frame with the kids in the middle looks so cute. I love this one for just $5. I am so excited to show you guys these next products. They added these jars with really pretty rose gold lids. They also have these over here. I really like this one as well. Lots of stores are getting these now. The holiday items are out in full force. Every year we decorate our front door using Dollar Tree supplies. I love these little skeletons. You can't beat the price here. Typically, I buy things in groups of 3 to 5 because it looks super cool. I'm so glad they did away with the styrofoam graveyard signs, and now they have these. These will last a lot longer. Super cool. You guys know I don't typically buy toys at Dollar Tree because I think they end up just getting decluttered, but this Hot Wheel track is actually a good deal, and my kids play with these all the time. They have the Hot Wheels cars here, and they even have these little launchers. This is a good gift idea. Coming back to the cleaning aisle, I love these scrubbers that are really similar to Scrub Daddy. Those are $7, these are just $1, and they're awesome on your ovens. Plus, you can get them in different colors so you know what part of the house they're for. Come here, check this out. Oh. So recently I showed you that they have Fabuloso here, which is so great for your floors. It's antibacterial, but they have a brand new product, LA's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Cleaner, and this is in a cherry blossom scent. They have a bathroom cleaner, they have tons of them, and this is copying the Method brand. I really like these. I have got a couple things in my cart I'm gonna go check out. If you guys like videos like this, would you leave it a big thumbs up? That really helps me out a lot. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. Be sure to subscribe because I want to see you in the next one. Bye. Follow me, ready? Hi, how are you? Good. Oh, thank you so much. I love her. They are always so nice about letting me film in here. I am so appreciative. All right, let's keep going. I'm not cutting it. Look at the tacos. They have taco socks and they have chili pepper socks. I kind of want these though. They're so cute.